Welcome to Learn Yourself. Exercise 4.2, question number 2. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. So here we have to do two things. First we have to separate the variable and then we have to solve the equation. Question 2's method to solve the numerical will remain same as question 1. In that also we have done these two things, that first we have separated the variable and then we have solved the equation. But in question 1 we have seen addition and subtraction numerical and equation. So wherever there was a +1, we were adding -1 and we were cancelling out the numbers. Wherever there was a -1 or any minus number, the same number with opposite sign, we were adding and we were cancelling out the numbers. That is what we have done in question 1. But here in question 2, we are going to solve the numericals with multiplication and division. So if there is 3 multiplied along with the variable, then we are going to divide the same number and we are making the variable separate. So this is the first case. If with the variable the number is in division, then we are going to multiply the same number and we are cancelling out the numbers. In this step, what will happen, that y is multiplied with 3. So we are going to divide with 3 at both the side. In this, y is divided by 3. So we are going to multiply. In either case, the number is going to be cancelled. So that is what we are going to do in question number 2. In question number 1, we have done addition and subtraction. And question number 2, we are going to do multiplication and division. Let us solve our first equation, that is 3L. This is L. 3L equals to 42. So here our RHS is 3L, whereas our LHS is 42. So now to separate a variable from this equation, we have to remove this 3. So how to remove this 3? This is in multiplication. So we can divide this equation at both the side with 3. So here I am going to divide with 3, and in LHS also I am going to divide the equation with 3. So this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled out and I will get my variable separated here. And along with that, when I will divide this 2, I will get one number and that will be L's value. So 14 into 3 is 42. So I got here L equals to 14. So in this step, variable is being separated, and in this step, I have solved the equation and I got the value for L. So that is how we have to solve all this equation for question number 2. Now the first equation we have already solved and see that what is L's value. Now let us start with equation B. Let us first solve all the equation and understand how to solve this kind of numerical, and then I will show you how to write it in a notebook. So here our equation is b divided by 2 equals to 6. So here b divided by 2 is there and here in LHS 6 is there. If I want to separate this variable b, into that division the 2 is there. So I have to multiply this RHS with 2. Then only I can cancel this 2 number. So same way I have to multiply with 2 towards LHS also. So this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out and I will get my variable separated here. And along with that, once I will multiply this with 2, I will get the answer for B's value. Equation C. It is P divided by 7 equals to 4. So 7 is in division. If I want to separate this P, I have to multiply with 7 towards RHS. Same way I am going to multiply the 7 towards LHS. So here my 7 will get cancelled out, my P variable will be separated and I will get here value, that is 4 into 7 is 28. So this is the value for P. D equation is 4x equals to 25. Now 4x is towards RHS and my 25 is towards LHS. So I want to separate 4, so I have to divide with 4 towards RHS. And the same way I have to divide towards LHS. Then I will get x, because this 4 and this 4 will get cancelled out, and I got answer 25 divided by 4, and I cannot divide this, so I will keep it as it is, that is 25 by 4. E equation is 8y equals to 36. Now 8 is in multiplication. If I want to remove this 8, I have to divide this side with 8. Same way I am going to divide this 36 with 8. Then I will get y equals to, because this 8 and this 8 will get cancelled out. We can solve this like 4 into 9 divided by 4 into 2. So 4 will get cancelled out, and my answer here is 9 divided by 2. So y equals to 9 divided by 2 will be the answer. Now F equation is z divided by 3 equals to 5 divided by 4. So in this, first I am going to multiply with 3. So when I am multiplying with 3, I have to multiply towards LHS also. So this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled out, and z equals to, I will get 15 divided by 4. G equation is a divided by 5 equals to 7 divided by 15. So to remove this 5, which is in division, I have to multiply at both the side with 5. So this 5 and this 5 will get cancelled out, and here 5 3s are 15. So I will get here a equals to 7 divided by 3. Now 20 into t equals to minus 10 is there. Now if I want to remove this 20, which is in multiplication, I have to divide RHS with 20. So same way I am going to divide LHS with 20. So I will get as an answer this 20 will get cancelled out, and 10 2s are 20. So t equals to, I will get minus 1 divided by 2, because here in LHS minus sign is there. So that is how we are going to solve this equation. Now this is how we are going to write it in a notebook. In the notebook, we are going to add one sentence over here, that what we are going to do with our equation to solve it. So whatever step we are doing, that we have to write it here and explain that if we divide the equation with 3 at both the side, then what will happen, that you have to write the step here, and then we are going to solve that. So thank you for watching and learning with us. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and don't forget to subscribe, Learn Yourself.